Okay, hey, welcome in Tophat Smoking Barbecue. We're going to do something today. We've got two boneless pork shoulders, Boston butts, pork butts, how everybody calls them different. Got them from Costco. What we're going to do is we usually put them in the smoker, and we smoke them for 8, 10 hours or whatever. We're going to inject these with some apple juice and some pork injection that we got from Heath raw. 64 ounces, mix a cup of that. And what we're going to do is let it sit overnight. We'll put our rubs on and all that. And tomorrow we're going to use our pig roasting box, the Caja China roasting box. And we're going to roast these like a little mini pig in the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our injector and we're just going to start injecting. Every inch or two, we'll just start putting this concoction in. I'm going to stand up a little easier on me. And, these are about, 8-10 pound pork butts, each one of them. And these are boneless, so you don't have to take the bone out. I actually prefer bone in, but this is how Costco sells them, so this is what we do. So we're going to just inject these the way we're doing it here. We'll get this one here. And like I said, we're going to let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow, we will put them in the old Caja China. We're going to put smoke on them in there. We got our smoke pistol that will add some smoke, so we'll get smoke and roast all at the same time. My thing's getting clogged up, so didn't get it not in there. That's why. There we go. And when we put it in there, we're going to try to kind of cook it like we do a pig. Although I don't suspect it's going to take but about 3 to 4 hours, since the whole pig we did back in the video only took us about 5 hours. So I'm going to finish up this and then we'll come back and put some rub on it. Alright, we've injected as much as we're going to do. There's a lot of injection. So we're going to just throw some rub on. We're going to start with our AP Killer Hogs all-purpose, which is salt, pepper, garlic, a little onion powder, probably, stuff like that. Liberally do it. It's going to take a lot. We're going to do both sides. And then we're going to add our jalapeno rub, garlic jalapeno rub from Heath raw. Give it a little bit of bite. Not too much, but a little bit. Similar to what we put on our ribs when we did our comp ribs that we all know we do great in. And get that there, and then we're going to put on this barbecue rub from Killer Hogs. That gives us our nice color that we want. Plus, it's a good tasting rub. Got brown sugar, paprika, all the other good spices that Malcolm Reed puts in there. Alright, so that's that. We're just going to go ahead and flip it over here. That was the fat side up. Now we're going to go over to get to the meat side here and just repeat what we just did. AP. Like I said, this is a bone. They took the bone out so we can actually get some stuff inside. That actually probably will help the flavor. And the lid's falling, but I think. So here we go. What we'll do is when we smoke this, we're going to make some pulled pork sandwiches for tomorrow and Super Bowl Sunday. So we'll definitely have leftovers for that. More garlic stuff. Get it all in there. And some more barbecue rub. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap this up, let it sit all night, let the juices get in there, and tomorrow we'll put these suckers in the box. So we will see you in the morning when we fire up the Caja China pig roasted box. and it'll be some good stuff. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. Meat's been sitting all night, looking pretty good. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on these racks, like such. Bring this one over here, and then we'll take this other rack, and it goes on here like this. Then we put some S-hooks on it, and that holds the meat together. So we'll do that, and then we'll get it over to the box, and then we'll show you our next step. Okay, here we are. We got it in the box. See, we're together. Here's your S-hooks, and here. So what we're going to do now, this S-hook here, got to come over a little bit. We're going to go ahead and take the top. If you've never seen us do this before, this is how this is done. Put this in here like this. And now we're going to put charcoal on here. We'll show you that. We'll light it out, and we'll show you what we're going to do. So we'll be back when we get the charcoal ready. Okay, here we go. We got our charcoals lit. Take about 20 minutes. We'll rake them out. And then from that minute, we start our countdown. After 1 hour, we'll add 8 pounds, and so on until it's done. We put thermometers in there. We're going to get this meat up to 195. We're going to flip it, and we're going to take it off right around 205 degrees. So see when it's time to rake it out. Okay, time to rake the coals out. Get them spread out nice and even. And then what we're going to do now is we start our countdown. Our countdown starts 1 hour from now. We will put 8 more pounds on it. So we'll see you 1 hour. 8 more pounds. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so what we do, 8 more pounds of charcoal. And then after this, we will check it. When next time we come back, we will check it, see where we're at. I don't think we'll be ready, but we will check it. So we'll see you in another hour. Okay, we're back out here. We're going to test to see how done it is. We're like 178. I want to check with the instant read. We got Colin and Jim here as helpers. So guys, lift this up. Alright, I can't see nothing now. Looking pretty good. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, we got ways to go. 170, 57, 171. What we're going to do, 65. We got to get this sucker up to about 200. But I want to flip it. Put that down. You got another glove, Jim? Give me that glove. Come on. You and I are going to flip this thing, Jim. So what we're going to do is just grab this right here. Yep. Lift it straight up and let it run towards you. Sit it there. Let it come straight down. And that'll crisp up that side. All right. We're going to put it back on, and we're going to let it go another hour probably. Watch out, Jackson. Cameraman's got it back up. There we go. We'll be back in about an hour. Slappy dappy. Okay, here we are. It's done, so we're going to open it up. We're going to pull the meat out. So, Colin and Jim, please take this off. Oh, yeah. Come on. Take these S-hooks out. Oh yeah, looking good. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the meat over here in these pans and let it rest for about a half hour or so before it's time to pull it out. Looking pretty good. Woo! Feeling pretty good too. Alright, so we'll see you back when it's time to pull the pork. Okay, here we are. We've had it out, it's rested, it's looking good. Look at that, it pulls right apart. Man, that is the stuff right there. It's pulling right apart. Here's your money muscle right there, look at that bad boy. We'll give that a taste. That's pretty incredible. Get yourself a Caja China roasting box. Get yourself some pig. And this is what you can have. So we're going to make some sandwiches out of this. And we'll have plenty leftovers for the Super Bowl tomorrow. And there you go. Pulled pork out of the Caja China roasting box. See you next time.